Hello students, we have started the chapter which is based on metals and non-metals. In the previous session, we have started the topic that is physical properties of non-metals. In the previous session, we have started the properties of non-metal, and what we have studied in that session, that non-metals may be solid, liquid or gases. Non-metals are soft. Non-metals do not have luster. Non-metals are not malleable. Non-metals are not ductile. Now we will see the rest physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals which are solids and liquids have low melting points. I already told you about the melting point. Melting point is that temperature on which the solid start changing into the liquid. So the non-metals which are solids and liquids, they have very low melting point. That means they can melt at a very low temperature. Non-metals which are solids and liquids, they have low boiling point also. That means they start boiling at a very low temperature. Non-metals are bad conductor of heat. They do not conduct heat. That means if one end of the non-metal material is get heated, the heat doesn't transfer to the other end. Non-metals are bad conductor of electricity also. That means they do not conduct electricity. But again, one exception is there, that is graphite. Graphite is a form of carbon. It is made up of carbon molecules. And normally you have seen the graphite in your pencil lead. The pencil lead the pencil which you are using in your stationery, that pencil's lead by which you are writing, that is made up of graphite. So graphite is an example of non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity. But except graphite, rest all non-metals are bad conductors of electricity. Non-metals are not sonorous also. That means if we hit them, they do not produce ringing sound. That's why they are said to be non-sonorous. So these are the physical properties of non-metals. And as you can see that these properties are opposite of the properties of metals. Metals are sonorous, non-metals are not sonorous. Metals are conductor of electricity and heat, non-metals are non-conductors of electricity and heat. Metals are having high melting and boiling point and non-metals are having low melting and boiling point. Metals are malleable and ductile, non-metals are non-malleable and non-ductile. Metals are hard and they have luster, whereas non-metals are soft and they do not have luster. So these are the physical properties of the non-metals. On this basis, we can identify that whether the element, the material is metal or it is non-metal.